Have you ever wanted to give yourself a facial at home but have no idea what steps and in what order? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to give yourself a bomb facial at home. Hi, I'm Amy Witters with Anointed Skin. I'm a licensed esthetician and a skincare consultant, and this channel is all about how to take the best care of your skin. I upload videos weekly, so be sure to subscribe, and if you already are subscribed, welcome back. Also, be sure to check out the online store for the products that we offer, and if you do decide to purchase, please use promo code FACIALS101 for 10% off your order. You've probably heard how important self-care can be if you aren't living under a rock, and while that can mean different things for different people, for me, that means taking a little extra time on my skin at night. So I'm gonna show you what steps I do to give myself a facial at home. So let's get into it. At night, I always make sure to double cleanse. The first cleanse is to get the makeup, dirt, and debris off my face, while the second cleanser I use is to treat the skin concerns I have. So today I'll be using the Image Ormedic cleanser for my first cleanse to make sure my skin is clean and pH balanced, and then I'll be going in with the Vital C cleanser to target my redness and dry patches on my face. Your double cleanse should have removed all of your makeup, dirt, debris, etc., but I always like to tone my skin to make me feel like I've gotten everything off. This one from Skinscript is super hydrating and it smells like cucumber. It's also safe to use for all skin types, and I know that it's not gonna break me out. Next, because I'm feeling fancy, I'll be taking these vitamin C eye patches that I purchased just to make this video and attempt to look cool, but also to hydrate and help with puffiness. After we've got our eye patches on, I'm gonna be taking this jelly mask from Esthemax. My skin has been super irritated lately from all this mask wearing, so the vitamin C in this is going to help my skin appear more supple and help brighten and remove dead skin cells. It's also great for people with hyperpigmentation or age spots as well, due to the niacinamide and glutathione, which will help reduce large pores and blemishes, as well as help the skin eliminate free radicals that damage our skin at the cellular level. So now that the mask is done, it's time to infuse our skin with some serums. I'm gonna take this Stem Cell Power Serum from Glymed. It helps to lift and firm, and it'll also brighten any discoloration. Obviously, you can use any serum you want in this step to treat your skin concerns. This is just what I'm gonna use for the purpose of this video. Now I'm going to cocktail my CBD serum, hydrogel, and daily repair cream. The CBD will help with my redness as well as dryness, along with a host of other skin conditions, but we'll save that for another video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video all about the benefits of CBD, and if you're getting value from this video, be sure to like and subscribe down below. Anyway, the hydrogel is going to replenish my skin and help with any irritation, while the daily repair cream will also hydrate, but it prevents any damage in my skin that can cause aging. And lastly, we're gonna plump and hydrate the lips. This balm has peppermint, so it gives a nice cooling effect, and it hydrates the lips without being too sticky. And now we're ready to give beauty sleep a whole new meaning. That's it, guys. That's how I give myself a facial at home. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you wanna purchase any of the items I used today, be sure to check out the online store and use the promo code FACIALS101 for a discount. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.